It's coronavirus day 469, phase 1, day 14, and I bring you good news. So today's coronavirus case is at clocks at 296. Again. Because I know this month there was also Sunday there was coronavirus. There was like 296 cases. So today's cases, 95 cases are from Waterloo Region, 35 is from Toronto, 20 from PH1 Region, 19 from Hamilton, 17 from Ottawa, and 16 from Durham Region. Again, the Waterloo Region is up top as the highest, and this is not the first time this happened. And Waterloo Region going through a crisis right now. All other regions reported under 15. 6 deaths are reported today. Variant cases, okay. UK variant cases at 1,442,925 now. Plus 278. South African variant is at 1,156. Plus 2. It's finally changed for the last. Because it was stayed the same at 1,154 for the 4 days. Brazilian variant is at 4,270 plus 7, and the Indian variant is at 1,056 now plus 81, and also we need to and also the India plus variant, although the WHO called it Delta plus variant, a mutation of the which is a crossbreed of the India variant and like some of the molecules from the India variant and South African variant, so you mean which makes it more transmissible, and so it's USA is the highest right now with and then some countries like Canada, Russia, and Turkey have one. So currently with the India plus variant cases, Great Britain 36, Canada 1, India 8, Japan 15, Nepal 3, Poland 9, Portugal 22, Russia 1, Switzerland 18, Turkey 1, USA at the highest with 83. So and this is this caused India, the health ministry, to advise countries that have been affected by the India plus variant to focus on surveillance, do enhanced testing, do quick contact tracing, and also give priority vaccination to those who possibly might, and also in hotspots, take care of, take care of the problem first, and then, deal with the rest. So vaccine bookings, 12 and up. So starting next week, Monday, 18 and up can pre-book for second vaccine for earlier dates. So yeah, because Pfizer Incorporated and Moderna Incorporated, they're sending a gross amount of vaccines. So phase 2 is officially happening, starting up on the 30th, starting Wednesday. So yeah, Wednesday, June 30th is the official start date of so phase 2 officially starts then. And what is in store for us? So outdoor gatherings is 25 people maximum. Indoor gatherings is 5 people maximum. Outdoor patio seating is up to 6 now. So non-essential retail is 25% store capacity. Personal care places can be open with masks on at all times, which means you can get those itching to get their haircut. You can do it. Yeah. Outdoor meeting and event spaces, amusement parks, water parks, boat tours, county fairs, water sports leagues, then events, cinemas, arts and venues will be allowed to open and run. However, there's like phase 1, there was like one region that was delayed in entering phase 1, and that was Porcupine County. Now this time, Waterloo Region has been postponed from entering phase 2 until mid-July. Due to high coronavirus cases and India variant cases. So Waterloo Region, they announced that they will not be entering until mid-July, according to Dr. Husui Li Wang, the medical officer of health of Waterloo Region. And he said that this is to give the Waterloo Region residents to get more time to be vaccinated, to avoid having to take a step back, and based on the situation at this time, and also because Waterloo Region is, if you looked at for the past few days, past few weeks, Waterloo Region has been on the list of high cases, and sometimes the Waterloo Region beat Toronto and the PH region with the high numbers of cases, and yeah. So Doug Ford announced Ontario would enter phase 2 uh, starting on June 30th instead of so, but Waterloo Region for the safety of other So, due to a statement that Dr. Wang added that in the coming weeks, the region of Waterloo will be in a better position to provide a more specific date for expected move to phase 2 now. And of course, this Thursday, with one Waterloo Region is again the worst in the province for the number of new cases. So Dr. Hussein Li Wang said, without the power of the vaccine and without thousands of our residents getting vaccinated at our clinics and our pharmacy and our family doctor's offices, our coronavirus COVID-19 numbers would have grown exponentially over the last few weeks due to the India variant. Doug Ford talked about this situation and then sending help to the Waterloo Region. So we spoke with regional chair Karen Redmond and Dr. Hussein Li Wang about the problems in the Waterloo Region, and so they're sending extra, so 44,000 extra vaccines to the Waterloo Region because of the high coronavirus cases and the India variant cases. And also a mobile team it will be sent capable of administering over 500 doses a day to high priority areas in the Waterloo Region. So that's good news, great news. And which really ties in with Dr. Lawrence Lowe, the PH medical officer, PH Region, and Dr. Peter Jr. saying, if we take care and vaccinate the India variant hospital, specifically PH Region and all the first, there won't be no surge affecting Ontario, and this is the problem. We need to make sure it does not happen. So yeah. Because Waterloo Region, that's affecting that covers Kitchener, Cambridge, Waterloo, and 4 other townships. The less of to get out of the clear. Hospitalizations. 284 hospitalized with coronavirus, minus 11. 300 ICU patients, minus 5. 180 ICU patients using a ventilator, minus 1. Okay, better than last month. Good. Long-term care home death has not changed. Long-term care home death is not changed. Staff death is still at 13 since last month. And 8 outbreaks right now, so that's -1. No. So please follow coronavirus safety rules and regulations and phase 1 rules and phase 2 rules when they start Wednesday. So don't have any gatherings of over 10 outside for the safety of others. Starting Wednesday, you can have up to 5 people indoors. Remember, keep it under 5 maximum, no more than that. Outdoors, 25. It's 25. This is kind of like red zone rules when we used color coded system. Yeah. So sign up for vaccination because that's a requirement for phase 3. So, you know, I hope you know, we can also move on to phase 3 sooner. Stay safe.